Raptor, a toy hauler with serious claws. A Raptor interior is a huge wow in my opinion. You walk in and right away you're going to marvel at the clean look, especially in the kitchen. So what do you say we start there? You're going to get some sweet details like soft close hardwood cabinetry with hidden hinges and 100-pound full extension ball bearing drawer guides for excellent storage. The countertop is solid surface and the undermounted sink is a large farmhouse style stainless steel one with a roll-up sink cover / drying rack and residential pull-out faucet. For kitchen appliances, you're going to get a massive 16.5 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, a 3-burner range with a 22-inch stainless steel oven, and a 30-inch stainless steel convection microwave. Pretty dang sweet for a kitchen, right? Now, in the living area, check this out. You'll discover space via the 8-foot-tall living room and kitchen slide-outs. Stylish hardwood ceiling treatments with LED accent lighting and that comfy Thomas Paine furniture equipped with heat, massage, and LED lights. You'll stay comfy as well with the three Omni-Chill 3/4 ton high-efficiency AC units for those hotter days and the 35,000 BTU gas furnace plus in-floor heating ducts to take the chill off those spring and fall mornings. Most models will also come with a fireplace, which if you ask me, is pretty nice. When you check out those in-floor heating ducts, you may notice the designer style vinyl flooring. That's throughout the interior, ergo no carpet, ergo easier to keep your Raptor interior clean. Let's check out the Raptor bathroom. That countertop is pressed, the toilet is foot flush and porcelain, and the shower, it's a fiberglass one-piece shower surround with built-in skylight and removable shower head. That's going to keep you clean, but what about your clothes? Well, every Raptor comes with washer-dryer prep. But a washer and dryer needs quick warm or hot water, right? No problem. Every Raptor also comes with the Girard on-demand tankless water heater. Time to check out the bedroom where you're going to snooze soundly via the luxurious 60 by 80 queen or 68 by 76 king bed with outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed for the CPAP machines, as well as some entertainment. There will also be overhead reading lights and some will have wireless phone chargers. Every Raptor bedroom also comes with an LED TV. TV? Heck yeah, and they're all over the place. In the living area, get this, you're going to get a 50-inch LED TV with premium surround sound, and in the garage, a 40-inch pull-down TV next to the hardwood angled cabinets. There's also a TV on the outside on some select models, and of course you get 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep. Okay, so I mentioned garage, so what do you say we check out the Raptor garage area? There's a lot going on here. On the inside, there's the 5,000-pound frame-welded tie-downs to keep your toys stable, ducted heat with the 3rd AC unit, and the Happy Jack bed with flip-down sofas and a portable multi-use table. Part of the garage area is fuel for those toys, so you're going to get a 60-gallon onboard fuel station. Inside, outside garage amenities include the optional 3 Seasons patio door, and then there's the ramp patio system, which includes the MoreRide zero-gravity ramp door patio steps with 1,500-pound support legs. One other note, you can add an electric awning and side entry steps to that ramp patio. Now that we're outside, courtesy of those MoreRide step-above steps with strut assist, let's continue showing you what's so great about a Raptor exterior. First, there are one-touch electric awnings. Yes, plural with LED lights. One Touch also includes easy use for them as well as lights, tank monitoring, etc. via the Generation 3 in-command smart automation system, which I got to tell you, being able to use that from your cell phone is pretty awesome. Up front, for ease of towing and hookup, you'll get max turn technology with a Rotaflex pin box, along with hitch vision with LED lighting. Your Raptor will be easily leveled via the 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Hookups, no problem there. Everything is located right here in the convenience center. Even the Keystone exclusive Key TV system and the outside hot and cold shower with 25 feet of coiled hose are staged right here. Now, what else? The battery. The battery disconnect and the solar prep port, let's have a solar chat for just a moment while I brought that up. For the love of all good things camping, save some battery life and harness the sun. Upgradable and easily monitored by an app is the SolarFlex 200 RV solar energy system that comes standard. Or you can bump it up to the 400i or the 600i-L systems. Pairs exceptionally well with the optional pair of amazingly long-lasting 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. You can use your own batteries, but I mean, my goodness, these are sweet, so just take them. Let's talk more power via that generator. You got a Onan 5500 watt gas generator and its 30-gallon fuel tank. Lack of power should never be a problem with the Raptor. Oh, speaking of something that's not a problem, space. Raptors have heated and lighted pass-through storage with slam latch doors, but they also have huge heated, insulated, and enclosed holding tanks. How about 106-gallon freshwater, 82-gallon gray, and 82-gallon black, all with 12-volt tank heaters, which is part of the extreme temperature package. Now, what else on the Raptor exterior? Well, how about a ladder so you can inspect the roof or just take a nap where no one can find you? You got G-rated tires plus a spare tire just in case, and a Furion wireless backup camera, not prep, the actual camera. Before we highlight some select floor plans, you should all know Keystone Raptors are large. We're talking 13,500 to 16,000 pounds unloaded weight and 39 to 45 feet long. They're big boys that need a big truck to tow them. FYI, all of them will have an enclosed garage with a private entry from the exterior into the said garage. The Raptor 351 has 11 feet of garage, twin bed loft space, massive living area slide out, and sweet U-shaped kitchen. Up front, the bedroom has a wardrobe slide out. Outside, you'll get an entertainment center with TV. The 351 can sleep at least 8. The Raptor 352 has an 11-foot long garage with a twin bed loft plus a half bath. The living area has opposing slide outs with a large kitchen island supporting a pair of flip-up bar stools. There's a massive 4-seat recliner, and the bedroom has a king bed and a slide, plus washer-dryer prep. The 352 can easily sleep 8. Now, the Raptor 415 has a whopping 15 feet of garage space with a twin bed loft, half bath, and washer-dryer prep. The living area has opposing slides, a kitchen island with flip-up bar stools, and tons of countertop space. The front bedroom has a wardrobe slide. 415 equals 8 when it comes to sleepers. Just trust me on my math. The Raptor 429 has a sweet 13 feet of space, twin bed loft, and half bath in the garage. The living area has opposing slide outs, and the bedroom has a wardrobe slide. And the 429, once again, can sleep 8. What's really amazing about the Raptor 429 is that patio deck. It flips down off the campsite of the 429 and includes an exterior TV. Now that, my friends, is campground living at its best. Sink your claws into a new Raptor, and you can find yours today at rv.campingworld.com.